Alright, guys. Oh, shit. What up, guys?
What's up?
We have this carbon fiber hood right here. You can see there's tons of oxidation all over the hood. It's pretty bad. This carbon fiber hood is actually given to us by the guy that Gary purchased the car from. Basically, what I'm gonna do is sand it down and re-clear it. Yeah. Hopefully it'll look as new as it once did. We're using 800 grit first, and then we're going up to 2000 grit. I'm handing the paintwork to Matt. He's the pro painter. Alright, so this is the second coat. We're just gonna be edging first. That technique though, edges have been edged. Alright, Matt did the majority of the painting. That's why it looks so good. Bam! Alright. Final coat. This is the fifth coat. The clear went on really nice and even. There's some orange peels that we're gonna have to fix by just wet sanding and polishing it, but other than that, it went on pretty smooth. Yeah, you can see how clear and glossy that finish is through the light. A little update for you guys. We hit it with 2000 grit. There's still a little bit of orange peel, but majority is all off. I just did a little test pass on a compound. That's what it looks like right here. Now I'm just gonna compound everything.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? What up? Alright, so today is another day. Sorry we didn't show you the carbon fiber hood. There's a little bit of a gap, a little bit on both sides. We've tightened everything down. We're gonna install the hood latches. These are the AEROCATCH hood latches. How they work is you find a spot to mount them in your car, this pin, and you drill some holes, and then this thing catches in here and it locks down. So when you want to open your hood, you press this thing pops up, and then bam! That unlatches the hood. Oh shit. Ooh. Nice clean cut. Money! Sweet. First time doing this. Seemed like things lined up. Yeah, alright. As you can see, it's completely dark right now, and we just finished cutting the second hole for the latch. And we're just tightening up the pins, make sure the height and the adjustment is correct. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah, that's good. Middle is latched. Mine is latched. Latched. Yeah, buddy. Alright, sweet. Yeah, buddy! Yeah. Oh, sweet. It's pretty nice now. The fitment is like very flush now.
That's much better.
It fits so much better, yeah. Yo, we did a sweet ass job.
For eyeballing it, and the bolts are all in the right place.
Yeah.
You only have to do it once.
Alright, guys. We finally finished the hood latch. It took us more than we expected, but we finally got it done. Yes, we had a late start today, but thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next episode. Got a lot of things that we're gonna work on our cars. Don't forget to like, comment,
And subscribe.